Alright, buckle up. If you thought getting healthy meant spending a fortune on specialty produce, think again. Today I'm taking you on a journey of true self-sufficiency, a DIY microgreen journey from this unassuming kit to a ridiculously healthy salad bowl. Wish me luck, huh? Why are these boxes always sealed for the apocalypse? There, victory. Let's check out the arsenal we have for this operation. A water spray bottle, simple yet essential. Our trusty harvesting trimmer, it's like a tiny scissor of destiny. First up, radish microgreen seeds, ready for a little spice in my life. And second, mustard microgreen seeds, because variety is the spice of, well, everything. This compressed wonder is the Cocopeat disc. It's a dehydrated disc made from 100% natural coconut fiber extract. Think of it as a super sponge waiting for a glow up. And these are our cozy little jute trays which will act as the pot for our precious microgreens. Now, why Cocopeat? It's widely used because it's clean, sustainable, and gives those tiny seeds the perfect boost for fast germination. It's basically the VIP section for microgreen roots. Here's the fun part. We rehydrate the Cocopeat disc by soaking it in a container with a little bit of water for about 15 minutes, or until it expands into a wonderfully fluffy, ready-to-use medium. I was a bit impatient, so I got my hands dirty and got it out of the lump phase. Time to spread and flatten the Cocopeat inside the jute trays, making a nice even bed. Important note: don't use all of it. We need to save some to spread over the seeds later, like a tiny organic blanket. Now for the delicate operation. Gently spread the seeds evenly across the Cocopeat. Try not to clump them together. They need their personal space. Once the seeds are down, take that leftover Cocopeat and sprinkle it right over the top. This is the out of sight, out of mind method of gardening, where we tell the seeds to take a nap and wake up green. Give them a light spray of water, just enough to moisten the top layer of Cocopeat. No need to flood the system. Next, we play the waiting game. Keep the tray in a dark place for the next 2 days, and remember to water it lightly twice a day. They need darkness to get their root game strong. As the first little seeds begin to sprout, usually around day 3, we move the tray to a spot with bright indirect sunlight. By day 4, you should see clear germination and the early stem growth starting to lift off the soil. Over the next 6 days, the microgreens will stretch and thicken, slowly growing closer and closer to that magical harvesting stage. Look how quickly they grow. Okay, it's officially harvest day. Using our mini trimmers, carefully cut the microgreens just above the stems. Don't go too low. Give them a thorough wash to make sure they're perfectly clean. And then you have 2 options. Consume them immediately for maximum freshness, or store them in an airtight container in the fridge. And here's the grand finale, the salad. Chop up your favorite veggies, add some protein like chicken or chickpeas, and then generously add your homegrown microgreens. Drizzle on some delicious salad dressing and enjoy eating it, knowing that you grew this incredible superfood from scratch.